Hmm.
Yes. Today topic thermodynamics. Thermo means heat, dynamics work. So how heat is converted into work and work how it is converted into heat. So in this chapter first work done. So before going to that first Joule's law. Joule's law. Joule mechanical equivalent of heat law. Okay, so here the amount of heat produced is directly proportional to the work done. That is, W is directly proportional to Q. The amount of heat generated or produced it is directly proportional to the work. So W is directly proportional to Q. W is equal to G into Q, where J is Joule mechanical equivalent of heat constant. So R Joule constant. Joule constant. So here W value is measured in joule, heat is also measured in joules or taken in joules. Then J value it is equal to 1. J value we can consider 1. So here applications of this Joule's law. Applications on this Joule's law. For example, we can consider a heli stone. Heli stone it is dropping from height h, so it completely melt after reaching the ground. So here, according to Joule's law, amount of work done it is equal to the what is that? The heat generated to melt this substance. Okay, so W is equal to M into GH, that is equal to J into what is that? ML. This is heli stone. Whenever it is falls from certain height and reaching the ground, so it completely melt. The condition H is equal to what is that? JL divided by G. L is nothing but latent heat of fusion of ice, that is 80 calorie per gram. Next G value 9.8 meter per second square. Next application 1. Second, for example, metal sphere. Metal sphere it is rolling on this horizontal surface, rough surface. So the raising temperature of the metal sphere condition. Whenever it is rolling with a velocity v starting from rest. So what is the raising temperature? Work done is equal to J into Q. Your work done is stored in the form of kinetic energy of mv square is equal to G into Q is nothing but ms delta T. Get cancel. So delta T it is equal to V square divided by Js into here 2. Next concept, third application. So a bullet it is what is it penetrated into this wooden plank. Finally it come to rest, right? So final velocity become 0, initial velocity u. So the raising temperature of the flank, raising temperature of flank, okay, when bullet fired. So here work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, that is delta of Ke, that is equal to J into Q. Therefore, half into M into V square minus of half M into U square, that is equal to J into Q is nothing but ms delta T. Final speed is become 0. Therefore, half into M into U square, that is equal to J ms into delta T. Therefore, M get cancelled. Delta T is equal to U square divided by 2J into S. S is nothing but specific heat. Specific heat of solid. Next. A metal sphere is dropped from certain height. Metal sphere drop from height h1 and rebounds to height h2. So raise in temperature. So for example, metal sphere, it is dropping from height h1 and rebounds to height, what is that, h2. Then raising temperature of this metal sphere, W is equal to J into Q. Therefore, W is nothing but change in potential energy, M into G H1 minus of H2 is equal to J into ms delta T. M get cancelled, G into H1 minus of H2 is equal Js delta T. Next. First law of thermodynamics. So amount of heat given to the system, it is equal to the, or amount of heat supplied to the system is equal to sum of increase in internal energy and external work. So du plus dw. Here dq is equal du plus dw. dq is nothing but heat. So sign conventions. dq is equal to positive if heat is supplied. Heat supplied to system. Next, dq is equal to negative if heat taken out from the system. Right? Next, du is equal to positive increase in internal energy. du is equal to negative decrease in internal energy. Next, dw is equal to work done by the system. dw is equal to negative work done on the system. So these are the conditions. So when we are doing problems, we can substitute these conditions into this equation, you will get result. So first law of thermodynamics concept. Next, work done by the gas during expansion. Work done by the gas during expansion That is, for example, we can consider a cylinder. It is filled with gas. Okay, so this is piston cylinder. When heat is supplied to the system, the gas expands, volume increase from V1 to V2. Here area of cross section is A. So due to this expansion, the pressure is exerted by this gas molecule on the piston. It push outward. So the position of piston changes to dx displacement. Work done by the gas during expansion dW is equal to force into displacement. Here force is pressure is equal to force by area. Force is equal to pressure into area. P into A into dx. So P into A into dx nothing but area of cross section into displacement moved by the piston. The product will be gives increase in volume. dW. Next, according to ideal gas relation, P dV is equal to NR into dt. So NR dt, another form, right? Pressure is given in this, what is it? Pascals. 1 atmosphere ED is equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Volume is mentioned in liters. 1 liter is equal to 2000 cc. 1000 into 10 power of minus 6 meter cube, that is equal 10 power of minus 3 meter cube, right?